Okay, so what can we do? We want to avoid those purine foods. And if you're having an attack of gout, here's what you want to do. You want to take 500 milligrams of vitamin C 4 times a day, 4 hours apart. Okay. The vitamin C pulls that uric acid out and you start to pee it out in your urine. Cherry juice has been used pretty successfully. The only problem is it's high in sugar, and that can also be an issue with gout. But if you can get unsweetened cherry juice, we found that that can be helpful for gout and lowering that inflammation in the area that's full of the inflammation and the uric acid. You want to make sure you have good digestion, because if you have poor digestion, like if you have heartburn or indigestion, if you're on antacids, if you get bloating and gassing or constipated or diarrhea, all of those things are going to impact how you process the food that you're eating. So you want to make sure your digestion is up to par, and that will also help prevent gout. So we don't want gout. It's apparently, I've never had it, but watching my dad, it's very painful. Okay, that's your tip for the day. If you want more, follow me on divinefarmerhealth.com. Bye for now. Want to receive nutritional insights to your inbox? Sign up at divinefarmerhealth.com.